I am Christian Borjesson, president of Beckman Coulter Microbiology. I'm based out of the United States. We need to have good diagnostics. Accurate and rapid AST diagnostics is going to make a big difference because we can put patients on the right therapies, and that will obviously help optimize the management of antibiotics and also how we distribute those to the right patient at the right time. Second, we need to start working better with data, transferring data between different type of public health authorities across the world, but also within different hospital systems. Third, we need to create incentives for pharmaceutical to accelerate development of antibiotics. The pipelines are drying up, and sometimes we have new antibiotics in the market where we already had resistant strains out there. So it's going to be very important we get these drugs out, particularly for critical infections such as sepsis, which is really becoming a big problem here worldwide. Yeah, we're doing a few things. Our legacy platform, which is really the gold standard in the world, the MicroScan has been around now for almost 40 years. So we've done a number of upgrades over the years, and we continue working on updating the workflow as well as the analytical and diagnostic capability of that platform. We also have new software that will be able to detect atypical strains. We're also developing new middleware that will be able to connect the different platforms. And this is really important in the laboratory, where we connect identification with susceptibility testing, but also with pre-analytical automation platforms. On top of that, we are working with a couple of strategic partners on developing pre-analytical automation to prepare the samples before they enter into the analytical phase of the testing. So a lot of good things happening here. It's coming down to developing public health capabilities to address emerging threats rapidly and also across the whole continuum of care. That means that we need to go outside the traditional authorities and also drive this down all the way down to the community level, where patients and also to schools, to hospitals, to outpatient clinics, and so on. Data is really important in this, and being able to share data and being able to share and act on data rapidly will also have to be a very important priority. First of all, we want to continue developing our legacy platform, the MicroScan. We believe we have an opportunity to develop rapid capabilities as well as making it more accurate in some scenarios where we have some challenging strains. That's the first priority. The second area is around pre-analytical automation, and we talked about that a little bit earlier. We want to be able to develop platforms and also workflow that help microbiologists process samples much faster. In the post-analytical phase, which is really the third phase that comes afterwards, how can we optimize testing results using AI is something that I'm very interested in. There's a lot of trends, a lot of interest around digital pathology, and it's happening in a lot of different areas. I do think there are big opportunities for microbiology to look into artificial intelligence and AI algorithms to really build future applications that will be groundbreaking from where we are today in diagnostics. So a lot of good things to come in the future. Thank you.